Top 10. Best camping kitchens. Sit around the open fire to cook food or toast some s'mores. What's better than a hot meal under the night sky? Number 10. Camp Kitchen Model Mesa, can be completely deconstructed and packed away for easy transportation. The Camp Kitchen Model Mesa 1 by Grub features the ultimate portable design, because this camp kitchen packs into its own rolling base, and when it is deconstructed for storage, it can be rolled around like a suitcase. Fully collapsible design. Rolling base. Named as Best New Gear. Number 9. Roll-top kitchen table, long design. This camp kitchen setup has 2 aluminum roll-top tables, and a fold-out table to provide even more space. It features an easy setup and can be constructed in under 1 minute. The entire setup folds down and can be placed in a bag for easy transportation. 2 roll-top tables. Folding side table. Easy transportation. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Camping Kitchens or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Deluxe Camping Kitchen, combines the best of 3 features to make this camp kitchen setup extremely useful for all your cooking needs. The first feature is a stainless steel cooktop for grilling. The second feature is an aluminum side table with a final feature, an attached wash tub. With this design you will easily be prepping. Stainless steel cooktop. Wash tub. Lantern holder. Number 7. Deluxe Portable Camp Kitchen. This deluxe portable camp kitchen by Outsunny was designed to provide plenty of space for food and gear. This top-rated portable camp kitchen comes with 3 zippered compartments that can be attached and detached from the camp kitchen table. These 3 compartments can be used for gear or food. 3 zippered compartments. Aluminum cooktop. Windscreen. Number 6. Pack and Go Prep Station, Camp Gear. This camp kitchen setup has marble-like countertops for easy preparation and cleaning. The design by GigaTent also features an attachable wind guard to protect your cooking area and keep your flame safe from the breeze. Also included in the design are 3 hooks to store marble-like countertops. Attachable wind guard. Storage hooks. Number 5. Ultimate Outdoor Workstation. This Ultimate Outdoor Workstation by Coldcreek Outfitters is the best choice. This design is made of lightweight polyethylene and features 2 spaces for sinks. One sink is shallower and with a drain, so you can easily store your catch of the day inside. The other sink also comes with a drain but is deeper. 2 sinks. Lightweight. Stain resistant. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Camping Kitchens or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Sherpa Table by Camp Chef. This camp kitchen can be fully taken apart because it has a roll-top aluminum table, collapsible legs, 2 bags, and a zip divider that can be attached and detached. Camp Chef has also included in their design padded carrying handles for easy transportation. Cooler bag included. Fully collapsible. Adjustable legs. Number 3. Outdoor Folding Table. Kitchen by CampLand features an enclosed storage space to protect your gear and food from the elements and animals. The enclosed space can be attached and detached to make this camp kitchen setup easy to collapse and store. This outdoor folding table is lightweight, durable, and strong. Holds up to 66 pounds. Zippered storage compartments. Folding design. Number 2. Pack-away Portable Kitchen. Gives you a stable cooking surface and extra storage space. There is a large area for your food preparation, and the side table will accommodate most Coleman stoves and coolers. There are utensil hooks and a mesh net to easily store your cooking gear. For easy transportation. Food preparation area. Fits Coleman stoves and coolers. Carrying case. Number 1. Slim Fold Camp Kitchen. Folding cook station that will provide you with adequate counter and storage space for all your cooking gear. This camp kitchen setup has a powder-coated steel frame, with an aluminum countertop that is heat resistant. There is also a steel storage rack and 4 plastic side tables that fold out. Steel frame. Storage racks. There are 2 handles in the design. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Camping Kitchens or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.